we're going to be doing another love do. And here it is.
It's already open.
It's already open.
Okay, the paper just says what it is, so go ahead and open it. It's from Lasko, I'm not really sure. And it's that. Let's see.
It's a breathing.
It's not a breathing.
It's something.
It's something. It's definitely something. Okay.
Something.
It is a Lasko ultrasonic cool mist humidifier. Quiet, soothing humidity for your room. Adjustable mist control, multicolor LED nightlight, aromatherapy scent tray, auto shut off when tank is empty. This is what it looks like. American company since 1906. It shows how it comes apart. Simple maintenance, no filters to replace, stow aboard, cleaning brush included, fully assembled. Here's this side. Stylish compact design, moisturizing, aromatherapy for soothing atmosphere. The LED nightlight control has 7 colors to gently illuminate your room at night. And then it has adjustable mist control, high up to 8 ounces of moisture per hour, low up to 60 hours of moisture. 60 hours of cool mist. Okay, and then this side says, cool mist humidifiers with aromatherapy create a soothing atmosphere in your home, a place to relax and unwind from the stresses of everyday life. How do you know the right amount of humidity? According to the Mayo Clinic, indoor humidity between 30% and 50% is ideal and can help soothe common dry air problems of the skin, throat, and sinuses. Get comfortable with a Lasko humidifier. Create soothing atmosphere for families and quality sleep. Help alleviate symptoms of dry skin, sinus issues, allergies, cold, and flu. Safety fuse technology. The blue plug. Essentials not included. Choose your favorite scent. It's got a typo on the box. Let's see what it looks like.
Yeah. Open it. Open the packet. There's that cord. Let me take this out. There it is.
Careful.
Let's get it out by getting it out of the box. There's the charger.
The plug.
Plug.
Careful. Oh, hold on a minute.
That's airplane.
Where we moved to, we live close to a small airport, so we see a lot of these. Anyway, so
I'll look at this.
here it is, and this comes off. There's the cleaning brush. Put it back on there, though. Don't leave it off because it'll get dirty. We don't want it to get dirty.
Yeah, because it's cleaning brush.
So we'll try it. So this is the instructions that came with it, or the manual, the instruction manual, telling you how to fill it, how to clean it, and all that, of course.
Did it come with stuff to pour it in?
No, honey, you put water in it.
Oh.
Okay, so we'll go inside and put water and everything in it and show you guys how it works.
And it's plugged up.
Okay, so for filling, you need to remove the top. The whole top.
The whole top?
Yep, the whole thing right here. This whole
Why do you have that on it?
It's fine, you hit the light button.
Hey, you can hit the light.
Take that off. Set it off to the side, please. Don't drop it.
Whoa, that is.
Okay, so the light's pretty cool. Anyway, this is the water tank. So you take this off, of course. You flip this over. And you remove this lid. Okay, can you hold this for me?
Oh, yes.
And we are going to use bottled water. This says pour cool, clean, distilled water directly into the tank. Using an off-brand bottled water. You pour it directly in here.
I see the water.
You can help me. Careful, I can't see. You have to move this hand. You only have to use that hand over there. No.
Whoa. Splash on my soaked. Use my hand.
We're only going to do 3 bottles.
Is that enough?
Finish this whole bottle. Okay. This is what happens when I put it back together. Okay, and we can turn this from low to high. I'm going to put midways. And there's the cool mist coming out already. That's pretty cool. And then you've got your light. You can turn the light on if you want, so you can show them how many colors it has. There's blue, red. Can you go slow, please? There's green and purple, blue.
Oh.
There's 7 different colors. That's pretty neat. I like it.
I'm going to turn on more light.
That's probably fill it the rest of the way up and let it just go through the whole thing.
This one.
No.
This level.
That's to turn it up. Let's see. You get extra mist if you turn it on high.
That's cool.
Yeah, it's cool mist. It's not warm. Or you can turn it down for a lower amount of mist. So, I think we could definitely benefit from this, especially with all this virus and stuff that's going on. So, yeah. This is a Lasko Cool Mist humidifier.
I'm blowing the steam.
Yeah.
Hope you like my review of the Lasko Cool Mist humidifier. Thanks for watching. Bye.